Good evening. So we'll see one by one question and their answers. Question number 1. A. Select the most appropriate words from the following and complete the statement. So first is to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit. The formula is dash. Option A is Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. Option B is Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 9 by 5 minus 32. C option is the Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 5 by 9 plus 32. And D option is the Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 5 by 9 minus 32. So answer is a Fahrenheit is equal to centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. Then next, district hospital are run by dash. Option A is the state government, option B is the central government, option C is the charitable trust, and option D is a private agency. So district hospital are run by state government. So option A is the correct answer. Then question number 3, dash is used to prevent bed sore. Option A is ice cap, option B is air cushion, option C is the foot block, and option D is the hot water bag. These are the safety measures which are used for the patients. The ice cap is used for the to prevent the if patient is having the fever, then we used to give the ice cap to the patients to reduce the fever. Then air cushions. Air cushions we give the used to prevent bed sore. Air cushion is used to prevent bed sore. Mostly, especially we use for the where it is sacrum region. Sacrum region, uh, air cushion is used to prevent bed sore where the sacrum regions. Then foot block. Foot block is given for the head low positions. Those who are given the anesthesia below hip anesthesia, that patient foot block is given. Then hot water bag is given for the retention of urine. Relax muscles relaxing purpose also hot water bag is given. So question number 3 answer is air cushion used to prevent bed sores. Then question number 4. The most appropriate position for dyspnea patient is dyspnea means breathing problems. And this breathing problems mostly Fowler's position is given. That is a proper positions. And head low position is given for the patients who has a less oxygen in the brain. And for example, if patient is having the dehydration, a faint, that time given. Then question number 5. Ratio of pulse to respiration is dash. Option A is 1 is 4. Option B is 4 is 1. Option C is 1 is 6. Option D is 6 is 1. Pulse to respiration. If pulse is 80, then respiration will be the 20. That means 4 is 1 ratio. Option B is the correct answer. Then optimum health means dash. Option A is physically healthy. Option B is mentally healthy. Option C is socially healthy. And option D is a holistic approach. Yes. Physically holistic means what? Physically, mentally, and socially healthy of that person. So here option D is a holistic approach. Optimum health means holistic approach. Then question number 7. COVID-19 disease is a dash. Option A is a non-communicable. Option B is a endemic. Option C is a pandemic. Option D is a epidemic. Non-communicable disease means it is not the disease is not spread from one person to another person. Non-communicable examples are the asthma patient, hypertensive patients, diabetic patient, cancer patient is a non-communicable diseases. And endemic means what? Endemic is something that belongs to a particular people or country. For example, malaria. It is an endemic disease. Then epidemic. Epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community, population, or region. And pandemic is an epidemic that spread over multiple countries or continents. That is a COVID-19 disease is a pandemic disease. Then question number 8. Urine output is less than 300 ml per day is called dash. Option A is a polyuria, option B is a dysuria, option C is oliguria, and option D is a anuria. So polyuria means more 3 liter your patient pass urine per day more than 300 3 liter is called polyuria. And dysuria means painful urine. And oliguria means urine output is less than 300 ml per day is called the oliguria. And anuria means less urine, means kidney is not producing urine is called the anuria. Then question number 9. First step of nursing process is dash. Option A is a nursing diagnostic, option B is the assessment, option C is the evaluation, and option D is the intervention. So, first step of nursing process is the option A is the assessment. After doing the assessment, only nursing diagnostic can be take place, intervention and evaluation can be take place. First step of nursing process is the assessment. Then question number 10. Epistaxis means dash. Option A is a bleeding from nose, option B is a bleeding from mouth, option C is a bleeding from stool, option D is a bleeding from urine. Bleeding from nose is called epistaxis. So here epistaxis means bleeding from nose. Tuberculosis patients epistaxis can be take place. And bleeding from mouth is called the hematemesis. And bleeding from stool is called the melena. And bleeding from urine is called the hematuria. So here bleeding from nose is called the epistaxis. Then match the following. We'll see A group. And first is a bacteriostat. Bacteriostat in B group, there is a bacteriostat means inhibits the growth of bacteria. D option is a inhibits the growth of bacteria. Then second is the examination of pelvic organs. Examination of pelvic organs, Trendelenburg position is given. So examination of pelvic organ, A option for the B group is given. Then glycerin. Glycerin is act as an emollient. While doing the mouthwash, nurses applied the glycerin on the lips of the gums of the patients. And if there is a crack, that crack of the lips or gums, that time also we use emollient. You use the glycerin as a emollient. The third, it is a B option. Bed blocks. Bed blocks we give the for the head low positions. So that is the E answer is the E option is for the bed blocks. And it is one of the comfort device. Florence Nightingale, founder of modern nursing is called, Florence Nightingale is called founder of modern nursing. Then next, match the following. Option 1, group A, option 1, sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer, another name is for BP apparatus. BP apparatus is called sphygmomanometer and it is used for the while taking the blood pressure of the patients. That is a vital signs checking. Option E is a vital signs checking. Vital signs means temperature, pulse, respiration and blood pressure. So we use sphygmomanometer for the vital signs checking, that is a BP procedure. Then tincture iodine. Tincture iodine we use for the tincture BI, tincture benzoin inhalations. For the this thing, if it is a sub cup, yeah, sore throat is there, that time also we give the tincture iodine. Yeah, tincture iodine is as a it is a disinfectant also. And while the LP procedure, lumbar puncture procedure, after doing that, we put the tincture iodine, press the tincture iodine with the help of the cotton. Then tincture iodine is used for the pre-operative scrubbing procedure also. So tincture iodine used as a disinfectant also. Then wool bottle, yes. Wool's bottle is used for giving the oxygen, moist oxygen. So B option. Vasoconstriction, effect of cold applications called the vasoconstriction. So option A. And Benedict solution used for the, it is a Benedict reagent is used for the urine test to see the glucose. If it is a presence of glucose or not, we use the Benedict solution for the urine test. Then state true or false. Fowler's position is given while giving tube feeding. Yes. Fowler's position is given, that is a proper position is given while giving the tube feeding. So Fowler position is given while giving the tube feeding. Then second is it is a true statement. For gynecological examination and treatment, lithotomy position is used. Yes. This is also a true statement. Then question number third, 1 gram of position gives 9 calories. This statement is a false. 1 gram of protein gives 4 calories. 1 gram of protein as well as carbohydrate gives 4 calories and 1 gram of fat gives 9 calories. Now, question number 4, hydrogen peroxide used as an oxidizing agent. Yes, hydrogen peroxide used as an oxidizing agent. Therefore, we use hydrogen peroxide for the bed sore dressings. Then question number 5. Patient with fractured spine is provided air bed or water bed. Where is because fractured spines, most of the patient can get, there is a chances to get bed sore. So to prevent the bed sore, we provide air bed, water bed for the fractured spine patient. Question number C. This is the true statement. Then bluish discoloration is called cyanosis. Yes, cyanosis, bluish discoloration is called a cyanosis. It is a nail, then lips, full body. If it becomes the bluish, it's called the cyanosis of that person. Then emotional disturbance increase the pulse rate. Yes, emotional disturbance can be because of the it get emotional. If patient is a person is emotional disturbed, person is leads to the stress, and in which will the heart rate can be increased. Ultimately, increase the pulse rate. So this is the true statement. Question number 8: blood in urine is called glycerin. This is a false statement. Blood in urine is called hematuria, and glyceria means there is a painful micturition, painful urine. For the passing of the urine, there will be pain. Then question number 9. Never inject air while giving drug by injection. Yes, this is a true statement. If we, while giving the intravenous injection and if we push the air, embolism can be takes place. So it is a bad, harmful it is. Then question number 10. Pediculosis is a contagious disease. Pediculosis means lies in full body or mostly it is found in a scalp and hair. So it is a contagious disease. So this statement is a true. Now we'll move to the give scientific reason. Question number 2. First is the potassium permanganate solution used while giving mouth care. Potassium permanganate solution is used while giving mouth care, as potassium permanganate acts as an antiseptic deodorant. It is used to mouth because of it remove all dirt of mouth and also remove all microorganisms from mouth. It is a clean the mouth roughly. Hence the potassium permanganate is used while giving the mouth care. Next is a mercury used in clinical thermometer. So mercury is a liquid metal with silvery appearance. It is very sensitive to small changes in thermometer. The expansion of the mercury is uniform. The mercury is easily visible. Therefore, mercury is used in clinical thermometer. Sponge bath should not be given soon after meal. Yes, because disturb the blood supply to digestive organs. Interference within the digestion. Hence, the sponge bath should not be given after meal. The sharp instruments should not be boiled because exposing them to the high temperature and moisture, it is the edges of the sharp instruments. Thus, hot air sterilizer or chemical sterilizer them by submerging them. Hence, a sharp instrument should not be boiled. The sharpness will be destroyed. Then, rubber Macintosh should not be kept folded. Rubber Macintosh is made up of rubber. It is used for prevent the cleanliness. When Macintosh are folded, there are chances to crack. Hence, rubber Macintosh should not be kept folded. Soap is used for hand washing. Soap is a emulsifying and lower the surface of water. It removes dirt and oil on the skin. The soap contain antibacterial agent. Also, they do not irritating the skin. Hence, soap is used for hand washing. We'll see next. Define the following terms. First aid. Define the first aid. So, first aid is an immediate treatment given to the patient of trauma or sudden illness before the medical help is available. Next definition is the nursing. So, nursing definition is a unique function of the nurse that is to assist the individual sick or well in the performance of those activities contributing to hence perform unaided if he had the necessary strength, will or knowledge. This definition is given by ICM. Then disinfection. Disinfection means destroying of all the pathogenic organisms. Concurrent disinfection is the immediate disinfection of all contaminated articles bodily discharge during the course of diseases. Then next is the health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social, spiritual well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Then next is the apnea. Apnea means total cessation of breathing. This may be periodic as seen in the kind shocks or respiration. There is a permanent stoppage of the breathing. Then fever is a defined as a rise in the temperature above 99.2 Fahrenheit, that is a 37.2 degree Celsius. Then discomfort definition is a discomfort is defined as comfort or as due to client or announce the usual cause of discomfort of client are included. Thank you and do not forget to subscribe and comment.